we got a package. This is my new 2024 Subaru WRX VB's first mod over from our friends at Aeroflow Dynamics. Just got here. I was gonna go with the wing, but I got probably the most important mod for this car. Alrighty, so I cut the ties, opened up this. Let's see what we got. Oh, it's an exhaust. The titanium axle back exhaust from Aeroflow Dynamics. We have the actual piping, the quad exit, which are these two tips, which I'm actually pretty sure that if when I go ahead and open this, it says, yeah, right there, it has a little logo on there. Got the hangers left and right over there. Let's get this unboxed and let's go out to the garage. Okay, so we have the car all jacked up right here. We have one of the pipes for one side. Kind of just put this here. Another pipe for the other side. Same concept, just kind of put that here. Here are one of the dual exits for the quad tips. It says Aeroflow Dynamics right there. Pretty damn cool. Comes in multiple pieces because of, you know, damage during shipping or whatever the hell. As well as the right and left hanger, which I'm pretty sure I'd put on first. So they kind of leave these separate from the actual, you know, pipes because it's a lot easier for installment and adjustments and stuff like that. So let's get under the car, put on the hangers, and we'll throw these pipes on. Jesus Christ, we'll throw these pipes on. They also have adjustable tips. We'll get to that later, but let's get to it. First hanger is on the left side. So I think I'm kind of retarded. I put literally everything on the wrong way the first way through. The exhaust is fully on, everything is tightened down. Oh, dude, these look so good. Oh my God. Who's ready for the first cold start? So loud in person. I don't know if it's that loud over the camera, but dude, it is so loud in person. So I'm driving, waiting for my car to warm up, and someone's house is on fire! What? Dude, who burnt their house down? Wait, okay, I'm gonna go over there and actually go look at this. So I still really have no idea what's going on. I'm just trying to actually get to where this fire is. Oh, and I'm not gonna be able to. There's so many people over here just kind of trying to figure out the same thing as I am right now. Car sounds good though. Oh, it's not a house. There's something going on, but it's not a house. I don't think that's a house by any means. Luckily everyone's okay, but yeah, no, there's definitely a lot of people over here that are just trying to see the same thing as me right now. Yeah, it's just some like random little fire over there. I can't see anything. Overall, still not like as loud as I'd like it to be, but at the same time, it's pretty damn good for just an axleback exhaust. So I don't know how to perfect the pops. There's a specific way of doing them, and I don't know how to do that. Like, I have a friend that has a 22 VB WRX, and like, he's like, yeah, you screw with the clutch while revving, and I don't know, I've managed to do it like once or twice from first to second, or just kind of rolling in first. But yeah, super short video. I've been super consistent with posting recently. I'd like to be more consistent, but a lot of the time I'm pretty busy. Next video maybe might even be a wing. Who knows? Maybe a wing, maybe tint. I don't know. I'm trying to go all in on this build, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for tuning in. Make sure to do all that YouTube shit like, comment, and subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.